including Karl Marx, Emily Durkheim, Max Weber, and other sociological thinker. Okay, and you can also practice the answer writing. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and in this video we will discussing about what are the strategies and book lists for sociology optional paper. Okay, so here are some points, but firstly you can understand the syllabus of sociology optional. Okay, firstly follow understand the syllabus. Okay, and next is follow NCERT sociology books from class 11th and 12th. Okay, and you can also follow standard textbooks. Okay, like Sociology by Anthony Giddens, Harlambus and Holborn, Themes and Perspective textbook. Okay, and third is stay updated with current affairs related to sociology. Okay, it is a must point. Okay, and think you can follow the sociological thinker, including Karl Marx, Emily Durkheim, Max Weber, and other sociological thinker. Okay, and you can also practice the answer writing, join a test series. Okay, and you can also follow book list for paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so here are some books name. Okay, so for paper 1 you can follow Sociology by Anthony Giddens, Harlambus and Holborn. Okay, Themes and Perspective, Introducing Sociology by H.M. Tischer, Sociological Thought by Francis Abraham and John Henry Morgan. Okay, and Classical Sociological Theory by George Richard. Okay, and for paper 2 you can follow Social Problems in India by Ram Ahuja, Indian Society and Culture by Nadeem Hasnain, Modernization of India Tradition by Yogendra Singh, Indian Society by S.C. Dubey, and Rural Sociology by Doshi and Jain. Okay, so here are some strategies and book lists for paper 1 and paper 2. So thank you so much.